Hello everyone. So this is the last DILR set from 2019 CAT paper, slot 2 that we are discussing. So this set is revenue cost profit set. So this set is the easiest set in the slot and we provide you a 5 to 10 minute solution. So please go through this set once and solve all by yourself before you look at the video. Let's begin. Let us first look at the questions asked in this set. So you can see there are two theta questions and there are two other questions with options MCQs. So the theta questions are the percentage of profit of the store in 2018 and the percentage of the total profits of the store in 2016 from electronics department. And if you see the MCQs, they are asking about the ratios of revenue and the profit percentages. So let's try to understand what this set is. Let's start reading the question from beginning. A large store has only three departments: clothing, produce, and electronics. The following figure shows the percentages of revenue and cost from three departments for the years 2016, 17, and 18. The dotted line depicts the percentage levels. So here we have two diagrams given, one for revenue and one for the cost, and the different triangles represent the different percentages. Like the outermost triangle is representing a 50% and the innermost is representing a 10%. This is similar to one of the questions which we saw in slot 1 of 2019. The different polygons outside and inside different represent different percentages or different points, right? So to make this clear, they gave an example also. In 2016, so 2016 is what blue color triangle. 50% of the store's revenue. So revenue is the first figure. So 50% of the store's revenue came from electronics. So it is very clear that in 2016, for electronics, it is on the outermost triangle, which is 50%. Similarly, 40% is from the produce. So this makes the data representation very clear, and now we understand how the data is represented. Now let's move forward. In this setup, it is also given that the profit is computed as revenue minus cost and profit percentage is computed as profit by cost into 100. So we'll keep this in mind. Now we have few more points of information which are given, points A to D. So again, if you look at both the figures, you can very easily derive what are the revenues for the years 2016, 17, 18 for electronics, clothing and produce. The similar thing is with the cost. And then you can do a lot of things, but don't just start doing because you can do. So the tip here is don't form a 3x3 or a 3x4 tables directly because you are able to do that, right? We will only form them. We will only form those tables which are required. And as the questions demand, going further, we'll solve, right? So let us first look at the percentage of profit for the store in 2016 was 100%. So we are looking at overall percentage here. So I will draw only this table where there is a revenue, cost and profit percentage overall for 2016, 17 and 18. And so first let's start filling this table. The percentage of profit is 2016. In 2016 is 100%. So say the cost is X. The profit will also be X, right? Because the profit percentage is 100%. So now you get the cost and profit. We know that revenue minus cost is profit. So revenue will be profit plus cost, which will be 2x. So in this way we filled this column, first column. Let us now look at point 2. The store's revenue doubled from 2016 to 17 and its cost doubled from 2016 to 18. So in 2016 the revenue is 2x, right? It doubled in 2017. This means that in revenue in 2017 should be 4x. Similarly, the cost doubled from 2016 to 18. So cost is x in 2016. So in 2018 it must be 2x, right? So we'll fill those values. Next, coming to point C, there was no profit from the electronics department in 2017. So electronic department 2017 profit is equal to revenue of the electronic department in 2017 minus the cost of the electronics department in 2017. So 2017 is this orange color triangle. So we'll look at that triangle. So you can clearly see that for revenue it is on the 30% triangle and for the cost it is on the 40% triangle. So revenue minus cost for electronics in 2017 will be 0.3 into revenue in 2017 minus 0.4 of cost into 2017. So from this we can get a cost of 2017 is 3/4 of revenue of 2017. So we know that revenue of 2017 is 4x, so cost of 2017 will be 3x. Once you get this, profit is revenue minus cost, so it must be x. And the profit percent is profit by cost into 100, so that is 33.33. Now let's move to the last point. In 2018, the revenue from clothing department was same as the cost incurred in produce department. So 2018 is again a green triangle. So here revenue of clothing is equal to cost of produce. So let us look at these two things. So revenue of clothing is on the 40% triangle. So that will be 0.4 into revenue of 2018. Similarly for produce, it is on the 50% triangle. So it is 0.5 into cost of 2018. From this again we obtain the relation between revenue and cost. Like revenue is equal to 5c by 4. And we know that c is 2x. So from that you can get revenue as 2.5x. So once we get the revenue as 2.5x, we can find the profit, percent. So now let's directly move to the question and see if we can answer any of the questions. What was the percentage of profit of the store in 2018? So this is directly from the table, 25%. What was the ratio of the revenue generated from the produce department in 2017 and 2018? So if you see the produce department revenue diagram, 2017-2018 are orange and green triangles. Both of them for produce fall on the 40% triangle. So revenue of produce in 2017 by revenue of produce in 2018 is equal to 40% of revenue in 2017 by 40% of revenue in 2018. So this is equal to revenue in 2017 by revenue in 2018. So once you do that, you will get 8:5 as the answer. Let's move to question number 3. What percentage of the total profits for the store in 2016 was from electronics department? So electronics department 2016 revenues, if you see, that is falling on the 50% triangle, and cost, if you see, that is falling on the 30% triangle. So the profit of electronics in 2016 will be 0.5 into revenue of 2016 minus 0.3 into cost of 2016. So once you know that we have this table with revenue as 2x and cost as x, so we substitute that and we get it as 0.7x. So that is the profit. So now it is asking what percentage of the total profits for the store 2016 was from electronics. So again, total profit, if you see, it is x. So it is 0.7x by x into 100, that will be 70%, right? So now let us look at fourth question. What was the approximate difference in profit percentages of the store in 2017 and 2018? So in 2017 it is 33.33 and 2018 it is 25. So the difference is 8.3. So this is a very simple set, and if these kind of sets come in exam, you must definitely find them and attempt them, so that it gives you the confidence at the initial stage itself that you have already answered 4 questions correctly, right? So thanks for your time.